Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, this one is a new recipes, new ideas, and I'm telling you, you need to drink this one before you go to your bed at night. Just before you lay down and start to, yeah? All right. We got cayenne pepper, and you can use either lemon or lime, apple cider vinegar, organic honey, and hot water. Do this one before you go to your bed. I love every one of you. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. We are there for you. Please enjoy it, guys. That's all I have to say. You don't try, you don't know what's gonna happen. Give it a try, give it a go, and tell me exactly what happened in the description box. All right? And I'm guarantee you 100%. We have a lot of people been using different kind of recipes. Your body may different from someone else's body, but I'm telling you, these recipes are natural ingredients. So don't go anywhere and watch this video. I love every one of you. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. Just before you go to your bed at night, drink this one. All right, this one is going to be a weight loss drink. So what we're gonna do, cut it off of a lime or lemon, squeeze it into the cup like this. All right. Once it's squeezed into the cup, get your hot water from your kettle and pour it in like this. Get some apple cider vinegar. Make sure you shake it. Put a teaspoon. Give it a good mix. Some organic honey, 1 teaspoon. And a pinch of cayenne pepper. So what I'm gonna do is taste it. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Drink this just before you go to your bed at night. And you know what I mean, if you don't sure, you can always do yourself some research. All right? Research like apple cider vinegar and the cayenne pepper and the organic honey and the organic apple cider vinegar, which is also good for us, and also the organic lime. So all these 4 ingredients is very, very good for us, guys. So I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So it's just a lovely and a simple recipe for you to have at home. So please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click in the notification bell. As I said, easy one to make at home from Chef Ricardo. Detox, weight loss, and also cleanse the immune system and cleanse your body before you go to bed at night. I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to click in the notification bell. As I said, my name is Chef Ricardo, and I will always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. So stay tuned with me one more time.